Hey friends, and welcome back to the Life of Amy June. Today, I wanted to talk about something that completely changed the way that I work, plan, and live. I quit hustle culture, not because I stopped caring, not because I stopped working hard, but because it stopped working for me. If you've ever felt like productivity advice just makes you feel behind, then this video is for you. For a long time, I thought that being productive meant doing more, working longer, filling every single hour of my day. But what I realized is that hustle culture doesn't teach sustainability. It teaches urgency. I was getting things done, but I was also really tired, mentally drained, and constantly feeling like I was not doing enough. That's not success. That's burnout in disguise. I didn't quit hustle culture overnight. I hit a point where my days felt reactive, my brain never fully shut off, even productive days felt heavy. I realized I needed a system that supported my real life, not an ideal version of me with unlimited energy that I clearly do not have. So I took a step back and I simplified everything. What I do instead. Number 1, I plan for capacity, not perfection. Instead of planning what could be done, I plan for what's realistic. I ask myself, how much energy do I actually have today? What matters most right now? Some days that's a lot. Some days it's one thing. Both are valid. Number 2, I focus on priorities, not busy work. Hustle culture loves long to-do lists. I don't. I choose one main priority, a few supporting tasks. If I get those done, the day is a win. This keeps me focused and prevents that I worked all day but did nothing feeling. Number 3, I use systems to reduce thinking. I don't rely on motivation. I rely on systems. Weekly planning, daily top 3, time blocking. I use tools like AI to help me organize tasks, break projects down, skip any decision fatigue. Productivity shouldn't require constant mental effort. Number 4, I protect my energy like a resource. This is the biggest and honestly hardest shift being a people pleaser, but I stopped seeing rest as something I earn after working hard. Rest is part of the plan. That looks like ending days early when needed, slower mornings, always adding buffer time into my schedule, because burned out productivity helps no one. So what does productivity mean to me now? Productivity now means progress without pressure, consistency without burnout, systems that support my life, not control it. Don't get me wrong, I still work extremely hard. I just work smarter and kinder. If hustle culture works for you, that's okay. But if it's making you feel exhausted, behind, or disconnected, you're not failing. The system is. You're allowed to build a slower, simpler, more sustainable way of working. That's what I do now, and it's changed everything for me. That's all I have for today. Thank you so much for being here. Please like this video and subscribe for more productivity, business, life. My main goal here on this channel is to help as many people as possible be as productive as they possibly can without feeling stressed or overwhelmed. So thanks again for being here, and I will see you guys real soon in the next video. Bye.